Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy here. Today I have this gorgeous blonde wig I received from Alibele Hair. I'm giving Marilyn Monroe vibes, as you can tell. So if you're interested in seeing how I style this wig and a little review on this company, then make sure you stay tuned. And if you like it, please show your girl some support. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Stay tuned. Here is the packaging that the wig came in. It's a 613 13 by 4 parting space wig. It comes with transparent lace, and here is a close-up of how the hair looks straight out the packaging. It's 14 inches, and my first impressions is this wig is super duper soft. It comes with 2 combs on the side, one in the middle and one in the back, as well with an adjustable strap. First, I gotta say transformation is real, sis, okay? I put in work today, but I want to show you guys my stocking cap method. This is how the stocking cap looks. I usually show everything from start to finish. If you want more details on the stocking cap, just let me know. But right now, I'm just taking some loose powder. This is my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and just placing it along the hairline and where I know I would part my hair. I don't want to use too much of that because I spend some money on that powder, okay? That cost me like $30-$40, so we ain't gonna use it all over my wig, especially when I'm gonna take it off. But to style this wig, I'm laying it with Gots to Be Glued. I'm using a yellow bottle. That yellow bottle actually has a stronger hold than the black bottle, so just keep that in mind. And I want this wig to just be slayed, so we're gonna place that all over the hairline and then just get this wig laid properly. So I just put a few little swoops in the front, nothing too crazy. I didn't want to do like a real baby hair kind of look. I just want to do like a natural hairline. And now you see I'm making my forehead colors match. I'm taking that pressed powder and just making sure everything blends. I also want to show you guys that this wig is free part, so you can part it wherever, but I'm just doing a side little swoop, and I'm just going to get it right. You know, you got to get every little piece, make sure that the lace is laid down everywhere. So, you know, the sideburns always stick up sometimes for me, so we're going to fix those, and we're going to curl this hair. Now, I can't stress it enough, this hot comb is my best friend, other than my real best friend. She know who she is. But this hot comb gets the hair super laid. You want to make sure that you don't have any bulkiness, so don't forget your hot comb. If you don't have one, you need to invest in one. And we're just going to make sure that the hairline looks as good and as natural as possible. You're also going to want to use a wax stick. That is going to make sure that the hair doesn't have any flyaways, and it's also going to make it super flat as well. So I usually use the hot comb, and then I use the wax stick, and then I go back in with the hot comb. You know, it's a process, sis. We're going to get this laid properly. Now it's time to curl the hair. I'm looking for like some beach kind of curls. I won't say waves because I want big curls basically. And I want to have like a swoop in front. So if you want to swoop in front as well, just curl the hair towards your face, and it will just make everything just kind of like contour your face. And just keep watching. I'm going to show you how I got these beautiful curls. So guys, I got my curls done. I got my Marilyn Monroe style curls. So now I'm just gonna take my pin curls out after about letting them sit. I would say just only 5 minutes after I curled them. So stay tuned. So this wig is from Alibele Hair, which is one of my favorite vendors that I work with. This is like my 4th video working with them, and they always have great quality hair. That's why I keep coming back with them. The hair is always soft, it always doesn't tangle, and it always just gives it that just bomb look, and the lace is transparent. Let's see a close-up. What I did with the stocking cap method, which is a must when you're doing blonde wigs, especially if you're a darker skin tone, because we want everything to look as natural as possible, and this wig is definitely giving me natural Marilyn Monroe vibes. The only reason you would know that this is like not my hair is because it's blonde, but you never know. I mean, you could dye your real hair blonde, so But I did slay this bad boy. I took my time, okay, and got this right. I dyed the roots. I did like a light brown auburn color. I don't like a really dark root, and I don't like, you know, the dark color to be, well, the root color to be super long. I like it to be like a ½ an inch, not like a whole inch, because I think it doesn't look right. So it's just my preference. But if you do just a little tad of a color on the root, it will look amazing, okay? And you have to do that being brown skin, I think, in my opinion, to make it look more natural. If you don't care and you just want all blonde, go ahead, sis. But if you're looking for a more natural look, make sure you dye the roots. And I was really surprised because I didn't get any, like, I got some blonde bundles for them and they were really good. But you know, blonde hair sometimes doesn't hold up as well as black hair. So I'm like, I hope they, you know, keep it coming with the good quality, and they never disappoint. So I want to thank Alibele again for sending me this hair. And tell me what you guys think about blonde on me in the description box below. I'm thinking about rocking this for the summer. Super cute, super fun. It was really easy to style, put some curls in. And at night, if you want to keep the curls, you can just pin curl it right up, and you don't have to curl it again in the morning. So super easy to do. As far as shipping, they do DHL shipping, which takes like 3 to 4 business days. No time at all. So you can get your wig the same week, which is amazing. And it comes with a tracking number. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And oh, before you go, I always think of something that I forgot to mention. This wig is 14 inches and I curled it. And the lace, I believe, well, the lace is transparent, and I believe it's 13 by 4 parting space. So that's all I got for you guys today. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. And thank you so much for your support. I love you guys. And stay tuned for that giveaway, because I'm going to be picking the winner this weekend. I'm recording it. And what is it, June 1st? Yeah. So the end of, no, not the end of May, it's June 1st. The beginning of June. So I'm picking the winner this weekend. So you guys stay tuned, and that video should be coming out this week, and I'm really excited for the winners. And thank you guys so much for your support. That's why I'm doing these giveaways, and I hope you guys have a good one. Bye.